Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see if you have iPhone and you update iOS 26 in your iPhone. This video is very important for you. In this video, we will see how to create a poll in message application in your iPhone. It's very simple. Previously, this feature is not available of any iPhone, but iOS 26 are introducing this is amazing features you can create as a group in your message application and create your own opinion poll so your friend family can provide you answer. How to create? Let's see on my iPhone screen. I just simply tap here the message application. I just simply select here randomly one of the contact. Here the message application and here the addition button is showing. You just simply tap there and look at this here. One of the option is display here. The polls, you just simply click here in the specific polls, which types of polls or which types of question you want create. You just simply add here the question, who is the founder of OpenAI, and just provide two options. One is Sam Altman and second one is Elon Musk. Just simply raise the question so someone can provide the feedback accordingly after typing this option and like this. So this is the simple way to create your own poll in message application and share the specific group, friends or family members and receive the feedback. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.